Okay, so today's video, it's a little late. It's already, what time is it? 7:30. We did a lot of things today. We didn't really have much time to do any of this morning, but we brought this car to the house because we were running out of space in the warehouse, so we kind of used most of the space for the product. And remember that we're not there on a permission, so we had to move it, and it was difficult because again we had to deal with the light not having a headlight and just the fear of it breaking apart on the way here. The good thing is it's easy for us to do everything that we need to do now, because if we need to move something from that car to this car, it's going to be easier. What we're going to do first is we're going to strip everything that we need to strip. We kind of started a little bit. We remove everything from the dash. So far we haven't sorted it out because the goal is to just remove everything because we don't need them. He's not gonna need them because he's gonna get everything that he needs from the blue car to this car.
So I might either get a new one or rebuild it or upgrade it.
You're gonna buy what's not salvageable on the other car. I mean, we're not gonna be chipping out on things that we know we should replace. In the end of the day, we need to build this safely too, not to just build it. Here right now, most of it is removed, and then the engine bay, some part of it are removed already, but it needs a little bit of working, so that's what we're going to be focusing on today, just removing that. We have the engine over here, been waiting to be installed, the transmission, and we already bought the housing for it, because if you remember that from the previous video, there was a broken piece on the old housing that it came with.
Right, this bearing was so destroyed, I couldn't risk trying to install a new one, so I found one that already had one installed.
We already purchased that, it already came. We're just waiting for like the perfect opportunity to install everything. Obviously that means when we're completely done with everything that we need to do. Some of the pieces are here, you know, over there, some of the pieces that we're going to be salvaging, and obviously what we can salvage from that car. We're going to continue taking video of that today. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so I think we've only removed these parts and those. You're gonna remove all these?
I can't remove it because this is attached to the car. I have to remove more back there.
All these are gonna go?
I'm trying to take everything off because I also want to be able to paint it properly. So I'm just removing as much as I can that allows me to remove.
One thing that we did, we bought this from Harbor Freight for how much again?
I want to say $20 or less.
$20 or less, and it's not gonna break your pockets that much, but
no, it's better than the jack stands, and because I don't have the wheel wells and the car's already light, I bought 4 of them, put 2 in front of the subframe, and then I put 2 back here, almost under the gas tank a little bit, like in between there.
Pretty much we can like push and move the car around if we needed to move it. It's almost like those expensive stuff that you put on the wheels.
Taking stuff off here, but at the end of the day, everything kind of led here. So I have to take this out, and I think that might be the final piece for me to pull all these wires. Because I might need to replace this fuse box. I'm putting the EX doors, which is power doors. So there's another reason why I'm gonna rip out most of this. So that's kind of where I'm gonna go in there now and start taking that off.
So these are the stuff that we remove. I don't know what they're for.
Just whatever's missing in here. Like, I took off the AC line, I pulled it out. I was trying to take the clutch line off, but this car hasn't been really worked on in years, so some of the stuff is like frozen. Some stuff came out easier than others. My concern is like the rubber hoses, but I've taken off the battery box, a lot of the ground wires. I think there was also the reservoir.
But the good thing is, going deeper into the bay, you can see that there's literally no rust. I mean, there are some, but they're not.
But it's
not something that you can't, deal with later on.
No, I'm gonna sand it. All I'm gonna do is sand it
things
down
like
and
this.
paint it. Because I'm gonna repaint the car, so I can paint it with like anti-rust spray. I'm gonna get the wire wheel and just.
You have to scrub it first before you do that, because it's just gonna form again if you don't do that. I think that's one important thing. You can't skip that. You shouldn't, half-ass it, because you have way less rust to work on compared to the other one.
Then I gotta order the bolts so I can put the suspension.
I think you need another light here.
I can push it up and use the dash if you need more light and stuff.
See how easy it is for us to like move it? I mean, see, I can pull it.
It's just back here, it's a little heavy. I'm gonna push it more. Ready?
Okay.
It's going away too much.
Okay.
Is that good right there?
I mean, you're the one who's working inside.
I'm going. you look at the engine bay, see if something's moving? Is something in there moving?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Which one's moving?
That tube right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Both of these?
Both of those, yeah. Oh, well, the liquid in it is clear.
No, the guy had the car running. This all happened this year.
You're just gonna yank it.
They already broke it.
It looks like it's melted into the tubing.
It's
And
okay.
doing that should let you
Sure.
remove that thing?
Oh. Maybe there's something I'm missing. I feel like I'm missing a screw. Something else is hitting it? I feel like something else is hitting it here. You know what? Let me take this off. I'm gonna take off this brown thing. I'm gonna take it off anyway, but.
That sounds like you broke it.
No, I had that thing there.
I think something is holding it.
Some.
Yeah. Any bolts that you see.
Oh, you're right. Right here.
It's a 10.
That's
Like
crazy.
right in the center. There it is.
Can you imagine at the junkyard and you're like struggling? Oh, I give up.
But imagine if you need that and you just yank it, not knowing you had to remove that. You guys are trying to remove this. You probably know that already. We didn't, but there's a bolt holding it from the back. Just to save you from breaking it, if you actually need that piece, you just look at the engine bay.
That is
It's held by
crazy.
one bolt.
It's plastic, so it's flexing. So you don't think that it's a bolt.
Yeah, but
holding it.
imagine your frustration. You yank it because you need to leave. A lot to do, but lesser than before.
Yeah, still gotta take more. I gotta take that off too. I gotta
Okay.
just.
So this has to come out from here?
Yeah.
Can you replace that if in case it breaks?
Everything in here can be replaced.
Okay.
It's not just to this car, you know?
There's a lot in there.
Oh, it's got the sides. I'm breaking it. There's probably somebody watching this video going, this is crazy. You know, this is the only reason this is important is for your airbags.
Don't even think about it. I just said it earlier. Build the car is safe.
Some people take it out, some people don't.
do?
Need something attached here. I'm trying to take it out. There we go. And this.
It's not pulling. You gotta yank it from the inside.
Yeah. Like there's, hey, is there screws pointing down?
Where?
Like is there tabs or something inside of here? I mean inside of the thing. Let me see the flashlight real quick.
I don't see any.
It's here.
Where?
It's gotta be around here. It looks like there's like 2 screws. Oh, you know what? They're probably just tabs.
I can feel it being yanked from here, but
Oh, look at this tab.
the clips?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I'm having trouble with this one plug. Okay. I'm got small fingers, man. Oh, Jesus. There's another wire that's back here. So I gotta figure out how to take these clips off.
So.
I'm hoping this is the right one. Is it like a push thing?
I think just yank the whole thing.
No, it's got like a flap. Oh, that came out. You have to use one of these special spectacle. That's like a little star.
You see?
Yeah.
For security.
Yeah. It's similar to like the steering wheel. I just hope this is the right size because this is for the steering wheel. Let me see. Maybe I should have waited to take that off. Oh yeah, that feels like it's it. You know, to the right buyer, a couple of $100. This has never been into an accident. They would pay top dollar for that. So, probably going to remove a little bit more stuff over here, and then I'm gonna call it.
So just one last thing, and then that's it for this video, and then we can continue doing other stuff. The whole thing is moving.
I know. So it's gonna move. Just gonna work back. Wow, it really is that tight. Well, I think I'm happy it's that tight, because otherwise there would be a problem. Thought about replacing that one, changing it with that. I think the EK, because the EK lets me change the steering wheel. But I could use something like an RSX EP3. Like I could use a different, because the spline's different. I think the only thing in the way now should be the pedals. I need to, yeah, I have to. Because this is not going anywhere. Hopefully these are all 10s. I feel like they're not. They're all 12s. even a cotter pin. It's just a piece of metal. I thought it had a cotter pin. It just had like a little piece of metal. It's a really dangerous truss. Because essentially, it just falls out. You don't have brakes. Yeah, this connects at the brake. I'm trying to see if that's attached to it. It looks like.
This whole thing is moving. Pull this thing up. It's out.
Kind of. Oh, there's a hole there. Oh, I didn't see it. No, that's the gas pedal. The throttle cable goes here, and then this is the brake pedal. Bro. He lost the bump that goes there. It's like a little rubber thing, so he just put a quarter and some tape. Let's see what year quarter he put. 1989. And now the clutch pedal. I know it sounds excessive that I'm taking so much off, but you know what I want to do? I really want to prep this chassis to be good. I want to add insulation. I want to make the car feel good when you drive it. I want it to feel more modern. Like not modern to the next level. I want it to feel like almost like a brand new car. I didn't take off the clutch lines. I'm thinking about changing them. Thinking about putting new lines. Nothing should be in my way. I'm able to pull this right out. Stinks.
That's what I'm smelling?
I think it's heavy. That's what. Yeah, that's right. That's the dampening to keep the noise down.
Okay.
You see that wire with the little box and all that? You see that wire?
Yeah.
So that wire goes all the way up to here. So I wanted to do a clean installation with the EX power doors. So they use a different plug. They don't use this plug. And also the guy had an H in here. So this whole bay is set up for an H. That's why it has the shifter cables. So now, once I yank this whole thing out, I can put in the one that I have in this bin, and I'll run it through carefully.
It's also getting late. It's actually 11:03, and you know we have work tomorrow.
This
today.
is actually a lot of progress.
It's a lot of progress because it's a lot of going through a lot of obstacles to just get all those out of the car. I mean, the good thing is now we can work in the car as late as 11 p.m. We're not worried about mosquitoes. We insulated this thing. So
keep the noise down.
Please keep the noise down a little bit. That's it. We're gonna leave this and those wires dangling. For the front, he also still needs to do some, he needs to remove some things that he doesn't need. We're gonna end the video here for now. On the next video, we're more likely gonna be stripping a little bit more than we could. We could hopefully start earlier the next time. We have to take this one out too because it's cracked.
So I'm gonna learn how to take this off carefully as practice, so then I can apply it to the other car. But if not, I got a guy that'll do it. He'll do it for like really low.
We're gonna try to keep uploading as soon as we can. I know we haven't been uploading a lot of time. Just don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our next videos. Of course, we appreciate all comments, all the like. Right now, we're at 330 subscribers and we would really want to reach at least 500 mark. 330 is a lot of people and I'm overwhelmed actually. And yeah, just gonna see you in next time. Bye.